world celebrates International Women's Day on 8 March. Assam police arrested 5 accused in Assam for supplying SIM cards and others to Pakistan agents. The world celebrates International Women's Day on 8 March every year. Each year, March 8 is observed as International Women's Day to celebrate the social, economic, cultural and political achievements of women from all around the world. The day also focuses on a call to action for celebrating gender parity and setting agendas and goals in achieving these targets. Events, talks and awareness campaigns are organized to achieve this goal. The concept of International Women's Day first emerged in the early 1900s. Women's Day first came into existence in 1909 and it was known as National Women's Day. The day was initially celebrated on 28 February 1909 when 15,000 women marched through New York City demanding shorter hours, better pay and voting rights. On March 9, 1911, International Women's Day was honored for the first time in Austria, Denmark, Germany, and in Switzerland. It was in 1945 that the Charter of the United Nations became the first international agreement to affirm the principle of equality between women and men, but it was only on March 8 during International Women's Year in 1975 that the UN celebrated its first official International Women's Day. According to the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, International Women's Day first emerged from the activities of labor movements at the turn of the 20th century across North America and Europe. This year's theme for International Women's Day is Digital Innovation and Technology for Gender Equality, highlights the role of innovative technology in promoting gender equality and meeting the health and developmental needs of women and girls. In India, 13th February is observed as National Women's Day every year. National Women's Day is celebrated not only to honor Sarojini Naidu but every Indian woman who is making a contribution to nation building. Indian women have made countless contributions in the field of politics, science, technology, economics, etc. on both a national and international level. Therefore, Women's Day in India is observed to celebrate every such achievement. Today, we are living in the 21st century, full of innovation and very much competitive in our minds and thoughts. But unfortunately, there are citizens filled with negative mindset, tries to dominate and discriminate women in every aspect of lives. That leads to no progress and no development, but reign our unity. We, the Kirby Daily News family, pray to all the men on earth to respect women, support them to together live in harmony towards the path of success and progress. Happy International Women's Day to all. Assam police on Wednesday arrested 5 accused in Assam for supplying SIM cards and others to Pakistani agents. As per the police spokesperson said on Wednesday, those 5 accused were arrested from Nagaon and Morrigaon districts of Assam for allegedly supplying SIM cards to Pakistani agents, in which several mobile phones, SIM cards and other materials, including a handset used to share defense information with a foreign embassy, were seized. Assam police spokesperson Prasanta Bhuyan said that the arrests were made during an operation carried out on March 7th night, based on inputs from Intelligence Bureau. Those arrested were identified as Asigul Islam, Bodar Uddin, Mizanur Rahman and Wahiduj Zaman, all from Nagaon, and Baharul Islam from Morrigaon. In this operation, 18 mobile phones, 136 SIM cards, 1 fingerprint scanner, 1 high-tech CPU and some documents such as birth certificates, passbooks and photographs were recovered by the police. News Desk Report, Kirby Daily News.